So, I'm just popping on. What time is it? It's like almost 1 o'clock, and it is Thursday. And I got a bunch of cards yesterday, and some of them are for Yule presents, so we can't do them until after. Merlin's on the floor freaking out. I got some new cards, so I just wanted to open them. Show you all what I got. These are called the Spellcasting Oracle Cards. And I've been doing a thing lately where I, in my spells, with my spells, alongside of any herbs that I'm using, alongside of any candles that I'm burning, and any of the stuff that I do, I've been getting into the habit of choosing either a tarot card or an oracle card that matches what I'm working towards and using them in my spells. So when I saw these Spellcasting Oracle Cards, I thought, well, isn't that convenient? This could work. This is, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is a Hay House thing. The book it comes with is quite substantial. I am digging these little books. So once upon a time, and I mean, I guess sometimes still, you'll find that all you get is a little paper pamphlet. Opens up, has like 4 words in it for every card, and you just kind of got to guess. The Lightseers Tarot has a little book like this, as well as the Seasons of the Witch Oracle has a really nice book. Good morning, Phil. So, it looks like they've got for each card magical guidance, spell incantation, that's cool, magical meanings, and so it takes up 2 little pages. But I kind of had a quick look at them on Google, and I was like, these could work. And I crack into it. Yeah. Woo! So, the images. So sometimes it's not my favorite thing when you've got real images digitized for me. And it looks like this is some of what we've got going on here. But I'm feeling okay with it. So animals. Did you hear Merlin? That's me. Answers. And look at that. Super fun. Answers. So I'm assuming that all of these in the book are going to tell me like what this means and what you do with it. But I bought them specifically to work with spells. Beauty. I can't really see the cards. I guess it doesn't matter. Blessings. Oh, look at the back. Look at the back of the cards. I'm digging the pentacle on the back with the fun tree with all the swirly limbs. Blessings. This deck is called Spellcasting Oracle Cards, and it is a Hay House. It's a Hay House thing. Boundaries. Nice. Career. I just thought it would be really, really cool to have a deck that I've got specifically for it, because I mean, as it stands, new moon, dark moon was earlier this week. What day is it? I don't even know. Dark moon was, I don't remember when it was, because time is hard for me. But I've still got my Seasons of the Witch card up on my altar. So it'd be nice, I thought it'd be really nice to just have a deck that was just for this purpose. So they all have a bit of the rainbow thing going on, a bit of pastel thing, some stuff with like light flare looking stuff. Clarity. Which I feel like would be closure, which I feel like would be really, really interesting for meditating into, along with whatever the spell work is that you're up to. Commitment. Look at that. Compassion. Nice. Real pretty. Confidence. Nice. Yeah, so I'm not, I don't read Oracle decks, really. That's just because I really love the tarot system and I'm used to the tarot system. I could if I wanted to, but Oracle decks, like, have every different Oracle deck has their own thing going on, right? So it's not like a tarot system where you can pick up one deck or another deck and sort of interchangeably goes, I know what justice means, right? So dreams, empowerment, love it. Family. But I thought the other thing that I thought would be really cool about having this deck to do spell work with is that I've got no preconceived notions about what these cards mean, right? Like, I can look them up as something brand new. Financial health. Yes, please. I'm not going to have any preconceived notions about what that's supposed to mean. Also, I find with my tarot decks, you know, I've got certain stories that I always attach to some of my tarot cards, the individual cards. This is just felt like a really nice fresh start. This is also not a paid product placement. I bought these. Forgiveness, freedom. So you could either go by just what the word says, like if what you're doing is like, oh, friendship. If what you are working on in your spell work is good luck, you probably won't even have to read the big blurb that's in the book. You could just be like, I know what I'm working on. Oh, this is really nice. This is a great one. Grieving. I love the butterfly for transformation. What is going? There's so much going on in there. So that's the other thing that I'm finding with this deck as I sort through is they've got so many images sort of transposed. Is that the right word? So many images within, there's depth within these cards. Healing. I love it. Nice. Look, it's my house. That's the exact one I want. So when I go to my Baba Yaga house, I have a Baba Yaga house. It kind of looks like this. Kind of, sort of. Inspiration. This looks similar to an image I've seen elsewhere, but I can't place it. Oh, look. Justice. There is a justice card, but she speaks a little bit. She's just a little different. Merlin is trying to climb up the... He's always trying to climb up this. Life purpose. Lighten your load. If you want to do some spell work for love. Oh, look, whoopsie! Manifestation. Yeah! New beginnings. You know what I also love about this deck is the cards are not numbered. I freaking love this. Passion. So they are in alphabetical order right now. My brain just went, alphabetical order, Laura. So that's how you would look them up in the book, is by alphabetical order if you were going to shuffle them up. Passion, peace, prosperity. Hey, Zyrex. Protection. Look at that. That is totally Empress vibes all over that. But still. Psychic abilities. Woo! So... I just bought Spellcasting Oracle Cards. That's what we're looking through. We're just kind of doing the hey, look at them, reconciliation. So the idea for these cards is to use them, what I'm going to use them for is not so much readings, but to use within my spell work. Spirit Guide. Oh. This is very similar to the Light Seer's Justice card. Strength. Hello, Merlin. You're not allowed up here. He's like, oh, hi. I like the table. You can't be on the table. Rules, buddy. Strength. Talent. Love it. Transformation. There's transformation. Also a butterfly. So, yeah. So to kind of put your tea light candle in front of it and make this part of travel. part of your spell work. That's what I'm going to do with them anyway. But I wanted to show everybody because the images were really kind of interesting. And like I said, normally I don't respond well. I don't connect much to cards that are sort of a mix of like real images that have been digitally enhanced. But these have this really interesting dreamlike quality, which I feel like would work really well in those moments of quiet during spell work when you're doing your chanting or you are focusing or you're trying to slip into alpha. Like, very nice. And willpower. So this deck, Flavia Kate Peters, Barbara Meiklejohn-Free. Oh, did I say that right? I'm going to have to look that up. Meiklejohn. How many cards are in the deck? 48 cards in the deck. So, I mean, that's the trick with Oracle cards, is that they don't ever follow a system. You're never going to be able to go like, the one of every Oracle card means this, or this is the starting point, right? Philip says, these cards are great, and all you really need is a candle and some incense with some of the same properties, and your intention's great for super quick and simple spells. Absolutely. And that's what kind of drew me to them. Like right now in my spell work, most of my spell work looks like I'm creating like I'm writing something down, I'm lighting the candles. I really am digging like loose incense right now, so grinding up my own loose incense, and then light a candle. So I just thought, what a great fun addition for focus for spell work, and it comes with this great little book. So I don't want to get too much into it, but it's got magical guidance and a spell incantation if you want to use their spell incantation, and then magical meanings. But again, you can just intuitively kind of go, I know what I'm working on today. I'm working on prosperity today. So let's just bring her out and use the energy of it towards what we're working on. So I have some in-person reading availability Friday and Saturday at Wand and Cauldron if you're local. If you are not, we can always do a Zoom. I've got Sunday time for Zoom, and Monday. Monday I've got a couple of appointments already. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, depending on what I got going on. Merlin's trying to climb the room divider again. And, oh, that's upside down. The backs were pretty cool. Pretty cool. The tarot class is almost sharpened up. You can join the tarot class right now that I've got online. Actually, wait, because I'm doing some funny business with the pricing. The School of Witchery Tarot class that I'm doing includes a half hour. So although you've got the videos that you can watch whenever you've got time and whenever you have that hour to do it, it includes a half hour one-on-one with me. So you can do the whole class, and then if you've got questions, like I kind of really didn't help me connect with this card or show me a little bit more, that's included in the price of the class. And what else? If anybody had any questions about my programs, we can do that right now. And if anybody had any questions about, I think we're going to do Friday Fun Day on Sunday. Because it looks like Friday I'm just about booked up. I just haven't created the event yet. I'm liking the afternoons. I don't know about you, but I'm digging the afternoons for one card draw. Merlin's got toys behind me. Nice! So that was the Spellcasting Oracle Sunday Fun Day. That's right, Phil. That was the Spellcasting Oracle. I just felt like I had just got home from some running around, and I went up and brought Mike some lunch, and I was like, you know what? I want to open one of these, but I wanted to open them with you and share that with you. Family! If you have this this deck. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how you're using it. I'd also love to hear about your favorite tarot decks or oracle decks. You can leave me messages here and I will pick them up and respond to them. This is going to be a lot of fun. And if there's no questions about any of my programs, you can also direct message me about program information.